All right. So when you get your dashboard, what you do for me is go over to products. I'm just gonna show you how to list products for your store. Pretty easy. So what you do is you press on add new product. Uh, yeah. Then this one is for the name. You put the name. Perhaps let me. I've listed all the products on the list, but let me just give like an example using the ones that are already there. So like this one, I say okay, angry, smiley, sweatshirt, take brown. Then what you do next is go get the product image. So if you don't have the product image on your media library already, you go to upload files. Then you click on this select files. Then you look for the images you want to use. Okay, like this one now. Okay, I use this one as the first one. Okay, that's the front. So you put in the title so that hungry, smiley, sweatshirt, shirt, brown, front. That's the front. So you set product image. Click on that. Now you go to once it load up, you go for your product gallery. Sorry, my voice a bit down, but just bear with me. So you same thing you did before. You go over to select files. I want to add the back of the shirt. So you. All right, let me just go for this one. This one looks nice. All right, cool. Okay. Not very hard. Just as long as you have access to the admin dashboard, you can do whatever. At least for the product listing. So angry, smiley, sweatshirt, brown. Just naming it so that it just gives coherence, so everything be sweet. Although these images, I edited them so that when I upload them, they look like look really nice, the same sizes, So I advise you to do a little bit of like check the image, dimensions. Make sure that every image you're uploading is at the same dimension, and also the height of the image itself, like the cloth itself, and where the top and the bottom. Make sure they're equal so that give coherence back. All right. So once you do that, add to gallery. Now if you want to add price, go to general. This one says is 55k. Don't put commas, just put it like that. That's basically since for simple products. This is what you do. Publish. Hit publish when you're done. And you feel good about it. So view product to just see like what you've done. So if you go to shop, you see it there. I think this is the one we just uploaded. So that's it. It's now it's pretty easy. I'll delete the product because it's the one. This one was just for like show